No.
Oh, we're struggling to zip up. Oh, Baba got it. You got it. Don't rip the dress, Baba.
Come on, what the hell is here? That we break it.
No,
Nothing here.
It's not that it doesn't fit though, right? It's just the zipper.
No, yeah, zip is the problem.
Jesus.
Just 1 minute, just 1 minute.
Got it? This sucker right there.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Hello everyone, welcome back. This video is going to be kind of a mix between a makeup review as well as a vlog. So in today's video, I am partnering up with Sheglam to talk about their new birthday skin primer. How fitting, especially because my birthday was only like a few weeks ago. I'm that annoying person where I feel like my birthday is like the whole month. But no, for real, I'm so excited to talk to you guys about the birthday skin primer from Sheglam. So again, I've been using this for a few weeks now and I honestly can't even imagine doing my makeup without it. It is that good. Yes, this video is sponsored, but does that change my opinion on the product? Absolutely not, you guys. There's a reason why this primer has so many great reviews and I'm gonna show you why I love it. This primer conceals the pores, hydrates the skin, and also brightens the skin for only $6. Yes, you guys heard that right. This primer is only $6 and a little goes such a long way. Again, I've been using it for a few weeks now and I only have used this much. So this primer is like, I can just see why it's so hyped up and it definitely does live up to the amazing reviews. So later today, we're actually going to Juju Des' wedding. So I want my makeup laid, I want it snatched, I want it staying on all night. And when I tell you guys this primer locks your makeup in place, you guys are gonna see why, because I'm gonna show you guys what my makeup is gonna look like at the end of the day. So with that being said, I'm gonna put this on for you guys and show y'all how well it performs. I just take a little bit on the back of my nail, literally that much. And then I just rub it into the skin and I really focus it on where my pores are the largest. And for me, that is the center of my forehead, my nose, a little bit by my nose, and then a little bit on my chin. I don't have that big of pores on my chin, but like this area right here is like pore central. So I really like to press it into the skin in that area. And then I just spread it out. I love the fact that even though this is a pore filling primer, it's not drying. I feel like a lot of those primers are very like silicone based and they're kind of marketed more towards oily skin, but I have dry skin. So I love the fact that this still hydrates my skin while filling in my pores. And you guys can see, it literally gives you this like cast on your face. It just blurs everything out and it just like diffuses the skin. So it gives this airbrushed glow to the skin. So I feel like even on your no makeup days, just putting this on over top your moisturizer will just give you that beautiful cast, you know, like that beautiful glow to the skin. Especially with this primer having this pink tint, this is what gives you that brightening effect. So I just love the way it looks on the skin, you guys. Again, I've been using this for the past few weeks and when I tell you your makeup is going to stay on, like I am not exaggerating. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I'm gonna let it sit on my face for a few minutes. I always like to let my primers kind of like sink in and settle in before I go on top with makeup. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup off camera because I'm actually going to be filming a reel / TikTok. So you guys can actually check out that reel and TikTok to see the full products I'm gonna be using and the full look. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and see you guys once I'm finished. Okay guys, I am finished with the makeup. When I tell you I look airbrushed in real life, I wish there was a way for me to like put my face in front of you guys in real life because I feel like the camera and the lighting is not doing it justice. Like my makeup, oh my goodness, it just looks so airbrushed. I also started doing a few other techniques, but again, I did film this for Reels and TikTok, so you guys can see the full tutorial on there, but we are looking so bomb. I'm about to just do my hair real quick, get dressed, put on my earrings, and then we're gonna head to the wedding.
No.
Oh, we're struggling to zip up. Oh, Baba got it. You got it. Don't rip the dress, Baba.
So excuse me. Come on, what the is here? That we break it.
No,
Nothing here.
It's not that it doesn't fit though, right? It's just the zipper.
No, yeah, zip is the problem.
Oh, got it? This sucker right there. What? What's up, you guys? After that whole dress situation, I finally found a dress in my closet that has no zippers. Thank goodness, because I actually put on another dress after that one. Honestly, guys, those zippers are gonna be the death of me. Literally, Baba was like, women's clothing, just like whenever Mel puts clothes on me, he's like, women's clothing is the most annoying thing on this earth.
Because you need a partner.
Yeah, like our
you
clothes.
Need somebody to help you get dressed.
Our clothes are not designed to be able to put on by ourselves. That's the worst part. Like, what if a woman is living by herself or something? Then what do you do? So me saying like, what would you do in that situation? That just reminded me of remember when Daisy lived close by and she was living by herself?
Yeah.
So we were going to an event together. She literally came to my house with her dress unzipped. She rode in her Uber, walked through her apartment building, my apartment building, with her dress completely unzipped for me to come zip it. I'm like, they need to come up with a better solution for us. Like, that's just not okay. But yeah, this dress, Windsor came through. Love you, Windsor. I'm wearing this beautiful blue off-the-shoulder dress. It actually matches Mel's outfit really well.
Yeah,
The blue. Oh, Vaughn's little cup. The earrings, by the way, are from Miss Lola. They're really cute. Just wanted a little pop. I put my hair in a little sleek bun, but I'm in love with the way my makeup turned out. Doesn't it look so good, babe?
Mm-hmm. You're beautiful.
Thank you, babe. I definitely did something a little bit different. I've been pretty lazy with my eye makeup lately, but I figured since I'm going to a wedding, why not do something a little extra? I smoked out some eyeliner on my bottom lash line. I also took that eyeliner pen and not pen, it's a pencil, and I just did a tiny little baby wing, and I also did a different pair of lashes today. I tend to wear the same lashes, so I decided to do something different. But yeah, I'm really loving my makeup. I feel really like secure with my makeup. Like, it feels like it's really on, if that makes sense. So, why are you laughing? That's a thing, babe. If you don't set it good, you feel like your makeup
it's latched onto your
yes,
face.
because sometimes you feel like it's like slipping and sliding off your face already. But I feel secure, okay? It feels like my makeup is going to last me all night. Nice. So I will check you're so annoying. I will check back with you guys when we get home from the wedding, and then I'll also
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only love into dreams, baby. What can I do?
look at Diggy's little suit, you guys. No, we're giving him plenty of love.
Oh, Dusty.
Look at Julius over here making bottles. Wow.
He went from popping bottles to making bottles.
Popping bottles to making bottles. Look at him. This ain't the Julius I remember.
Look, I gotta be on daddy vibes right now. Excuse me, guys.
Let me see. Look at him with his suit on. He dapper down.
Dapper down. I got, you know what I'm saying?
Dad vibes.
We got a little food break real quick, and then we go outside get lit some more, huh?
A little food break before we eat.
Oh, Dad. Say we lit.
When y'all having a second?
You better go ask Destiny.
You ready right now?
Hey, we might be having one tonight, man. You better tell them.
Destiny, I heard y'all having y'all second. Destiny, Julia said y'all having y'all second tonight.
If I just finished saying that I might be good with just one. Yeah, she finished saying that.
Y'all, all of Carla's pictures have been pre-taken. She really, this is what's been happening in the last 9 months.
Look at baby Koa.
Now I'm snatched.
We're gonna snap back, y'all.
She snapped back.
2 seconds.
All her pictures were from 2020. Oh my gosh, I want to hold him next.
Guys, look at this sweet little
I need to hold him.
We're sober today.
oh my god. Wanna go look at yourself in the mirror, Bubba?
She's like,
Things are running through, million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk.
Guys, we're about to take some shots. These are so good. They're like mango. They have a tahini rim.
That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk. I just sleep talk.
lit. But thank you guys for coming. We're gonna enjoy this good food. And I'm gonna let Destiny finish whatever she has to say.
We got steak, lobster. Y'all know Mel doesn't eat steak or lobster. This is vegetarian.
Can I give the toast?
You gotta make it sound. Alright.
Don't look at me.
So we all look to the side.
Everybody close their eyes.
Yeah, everybody close their eyes like it's a prayer or something. Don't look at me. First and foremost, I just wanna hold on, we gotta wait for Grandma to come up here.
We thought we were asleep, Grandma.
So, I just wanna thank everybody for coming out here, you know what I'm saying, to this nice wedding. You know, I have a beautiful wife now, you know, and this is an amazing experience. I'm pretty lit right now, and that's thanks to you guys. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? We're celebrating tonight. I'm gonna pass the torch over to my baby.
You always
Hey, go! You supposed to take the torch. Hey,
Let me add toast to these beautiful people who brought in a beautiful child into this world. I want to wish you guys many, many happy years of marriage and happy years of parenting, and continue to do what you guys are doing. You're amazing people. We love you.
Cheers! Cheers! Guys, it is currently, let me X out all these notifications and wipe my screen. I never even realized how dirty it was until I just put it up to the camera. It is currently 11:09 p.m., which means I've had my makeup on. I've had this glam on for 8 hours now. I did touch up my lips, you know, but that doesn't count because we're looking at the face. And I know I look super tired, and that's because I am super tired. I did take my hair out of the bun. I took out my earrings. But when I tell you guys, my makeup looks flawless. The best part is that obviously it was a private event. I didn't have to wear a mask. So there wasn't like any mask, you know, like rubbing on my face or anything. And my makeup looks snatched, beat to the gods. Like, look at this. Also, I'm really liking this eyeliner. What do you guys think? I haven't worn eyeliner on the bottom lash line in such a long time. But this makeup, you guys, like 8 hours. 8 hours, I have not touched it up. Usually I'll take like, you know, my brush, a little bit of powder, you know, get this little area, but I don't even feel like I need to do that. Like if it was like, oh, let's go out to the club afterwards, I'd be like, okay, I look good. I don't gotta do anything. Just put on a little bit more lip gloss, lipstick. But my face, my makeup looks amazing, you guys. If you have not tried the Sheglam Birthday Skin Primer, again, I've been using this for a few weeks now, and it's insane. It's so, so good, you guys. And it's only $6, which I can't even believe how good of quality this primer is for only $6. Like, it is amazing. And you guys can actually get another additional 15% off using my code Nazanin15. So again, make sure you guys click the link down below and use my code to get 15% off Sheglam. This is definitely my new go-to primer, you guys. I have been loving it. It has not let me down. And it just locks in my makeup, you guys. Like when I tell you my makeup stays on like this, my makeup sandwich between this and my setting spray, it's foolproof. Like it is staying on. Also, can we talk about the wedding for a second? Destiny looked stunning, okay? Like that dress fit her like a glove. She looked absolutely beautiful, like the long train, her veil, like she just looked so, so good. And Koa, you guys, that was the first time we met Koa, and he is just the cutest little bean. He is the sweetest little boy. He's so tiny and so cute. Like he was just so like, literally, he was just like chilling the whole time. Like he was just literally just vibing, just chilling. He was so yummy and so cute. Just holding him made me miss having a newborn so much. And the food was amazing. The cake, I'm not even a big cake person, and that cake was delicious. So we had an amazing night. It was so much fun. And make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. I'm gonna finally go wash off this makeup, wash my face, and go to sleep. But again, thank you guys so much for supporting us and watching our videos, and we'll see you again for our next upload. Bye guys.